It just opened up.
Really?
Yeah, we're early.
Trying a mimosa flight, just
It's called
Daddy
the
and I.
Rainbow Drinks.
All right, let's try it.
Your hollandaise sauce looks orange.
It does. Is it good? All right, so our margarita flight was actually. Oh wait. All right, so our mimosa flight was disgusting, but we were dedicated to finishing it because
It's $20.
it was $20, so we had to finish it. Breakfast was good. I want to go back though. I got 2 different eggs Benedict, and it was really good. Just the one though. The other one was not so good. Shay, how was your breakfast?
Good.
Mason, how was yours?
Good.
Yeah.
In the back.
There's a car show we decided to go to.
Jessica's license plate is super
Yeah. You like it? I like the color.
Uncle Dave has this exact one.
Oh, look at that. That's fancy.
This is so cool. People are so lucky they get to have these cars.
This is something that
Interior?
Oh, look, baby Yoda's up there. The Corvettes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
got expensive taste.
We got a blue one. I can't buy it. I only have $43. He's got ice cream on the side.
You like it?
Oh, that's what you're talking about. There's ice cream on the side, huh?
Look at that Ford Bronco.
That's cool.
Go over here and check this one out.
So many people here.
Very cool.
Someone's phone, don't mind that. Oh. A banana? Oh.
That's a cool car.
Yeah.
Don't lean against the car, kid. Look how long the gas pedal is.
Look, they're really necessary.
Right shoulder. Ready, put.
Quiet, Jax.
Time. Go. Halt. Reset. Halt.
playing some Jenga. Kids were just in the pool. We were all just in the pool. It's really nice out and in the pool.
Can we play Jenga, Mom?
We're waiting for Britt and Richie to show up. They should be here probably like another hour or so. Ooh! Look who just showed up. Where's Richie?
Roommates.
Where's Richie? Oh, Richie's. It was really loud. Some lunch.
Sonic, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store.
Yeah, but we have to go back for our car.
They were eating before.
All right, we went food shopping for the week. Now we're gonna have some pool time. Waiting for everybody to get out here.
Baba,
What,
are
babe?
we going on the boat tomorrow?
We are going on the boat tomorrow.
Yay. Let's open a week up early.